Alright, my name is Dave, this is Chris. Today we're taking care of one of our man list items. This is a breakfast, an egg breakfast. And the way we're gonna rock it is just like this.
Yeah.
It's delicious. It's your calcium right here.
Is that bad? Is it bad? Or
It is good. Mmm.
It's delicious.
Oh, it is so good.
Everyone should eat it.
For the shells. It's like sandpaper going down your throat. Now to wash down the rest of it, now you get your little, look at this beautiful thing. It's like the sun in a glass. Cheers.
Prost. Yummy.
That is fan-fucking-tastic.
Amazing, dude. I just want another one.
That was a little man breakfast for you.
That's the man.
No bull.
No bullshit.
No
No bull.
bullshit.
Remember, no bull.
Peace.